Will they get cleared out of there?
Oh, heavens no. It's going to be hours before he gets somebody up there to bring him a gallon of diesel. I would tell the local farmers up there to lock up your goats.
Oh, that's a rookie move running out of diesel there.
You know what? The guy said he was trying to get around a scale. I said, you come from the north? He said, yeah. I said, there's no scale at Bow Hill South now.
Oh, what did they create? 7.
Please turn that 1 into a 7. Make it life easy.
Same here.
I've seen these red trucks enough. I've memorized them all.
Truck 4 in from Big Lake. You need the scale.
Yes, please.
After you, kind sir.
I get right out of the way. Gravel me.
Red Solo, I will be by you in 2 seconds.
Back 10-4.
Unless you get paid by the hour, I can really drop it down.
Down on the 2-4, please.
Got one more ton here for you.
Okay.
Thank you, Steve. Have a good night.
Yes, sir, you too. Sorry, did you say 14 or 15? 15, 1-5, please.
Right, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And you're on that scene a whole lot of it, but again, it's small, it's temporary.
Free wood. Love it.
Thinking barbecue Friday. Hello.
I appreciate the observation. Yeah, it's been going back and forth, and kind of seems like it is what it is.
We need 1 more ton. Copy.
Oh, he'll throw a rock at me. Where you going, Skippy? All done?
What's that?
See Skip, it looks like he thinks he's done for the day.
Now he's on the forward. How's that truck driving itself?
Hey, sir.
He don't want to talk to us no more. He probably turned off the radio.
Roger. Sub 15, with 2 to 4 on, going on our account. PO as Dawson.